Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we will be exploring the book The New Meaning of Educational Change, 4th edition by renowned educational theorist Michael Fullan. The New Meaning of Educational Change, 4th edition by Michael Fullan provides a comprehensive and insight examination of the complexities surrounding educational change. Fullan's extensive research and insights shed light on the challenges and opportunities inherent in transforming educational system to meet the demands of the 21st century. Fullan challenges traditional approach to change, arguing that superficial reforms often fail to address deep-seated systematic issues. He advocates for a collaborative and iterative process that involves all stakeholders from teachers and administrators to students and community members. Let's discuss the key themes points covered in this book. Number 1. Comprehensive resource for educational change. The 4th edition captures the dilemmas and leading ideas for successful large-scale systematic reform based on practical and fundamental work with education system in several countries. Number 2. Action-based and practical. This edition is more action-based and contains more of Fullan's own assessment and interpretation of what is happening. It provides secure guidelines for practitioners, policymakers, and researchers for the next decade. Number 3. Focus on applied nature of work. The 4th edition highlights the combination of theory, meaning, and practice action for sustainable improvement. It also highlights motivating change agents to find meaning from shared actions. Number 4. Role of leadership. Fullan discussed the importance of strong, visionary leadership and the need of leaders to empower and support their staff in order to create sustainable change. Number 5. Technology and educational change. Fullan focuses the importance of leveraging technology and digital tools to facilitate educational change, believing that technology has the power to revolutionize the way we teach and learn, creating more engaging and effective learning experiences for students. Number 6. Collaborative approach. Fullan advocates for a collaborative and iterative process that involves all stakeholders from teachers and administrators to students and community members to achieve lasting and meaningful improvements in educational system. As an educator, I found Fullan's focuses on collaboration, the role of leadership, and acknowledgement of the challenges in implementing change to be particularly relevant and helpful. This book's accessible writing style and comprehensive view of challenge change make it a valuable resource for everyone in the educational field, whether you are an educator, administrator, or policymaker. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.